Welcome back to Biology Domination, the NEET 2026 Crash Course Podcast. I'm your host, and today is day 6. No new chapter today. Today is pure revision, active recall style. If you've been listening all week, this episode is your test. If you're joining fresh, this is the perfect summary of the first 5 days. 5 chapters, 5 segments, real trap questions. Let's go. Let's start with the living world, day 1. First trap question. Who gave binomial nomenclature? Most students say Haeckel because they confuse it with the three-kingdom system. The answer is Carl Linnaeus. Lock that. Second, what is the most reliable defining property of life? Not growth. Crystals grow. Not reproduction. Worker bees don't reproduce. The answer is metabolism, the sum of all biochemical reactions, always present in every living cell. And remember your taxonomy order: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Mnemonic: King Philip came over for good soup. Simple, unbreakable. Biological classification, day 2. 5 kingdoms were proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. That year matters. NEET has asked it. Now, Mycoplasma, the smallest living organism, it has no cell wall, still placed in Monera because it is prokaryotic. Euglena is the classic NEET trap. It photosynthesizes, yes, but it has no cell wall. It's unicellular, and it can switch to being heterotrophic, so it goes into protista, not plantae. Fungi, cell wall made of chitin, not cellulose. Cellulose is for plants. And viruses, they are acellular. They don't belong to any of the 5 kingdoms. They are studied separately. NEET loves a virus question every year. Plant kingdom, day 3. This segment trips up hundreds of students every year because of one concept: alternation of generations. In bryophytes, the plant you actually see, the dominant phase, is the gametophyte. In pteridophytes, it flips. The dominant phase is the sporophyte. NEET will ask this in reverse to confuse you. Pteridophytes are also the first vascular plants. They have xylem and phloem, but no seeds. Gymnosperms come next. Vascular, they have seeds, but those seeds are naked. No fruit, no covering. Angiosperms, seeds inside fruits, always. Bryophytes are called the amphibians of the plant kingdom because they need water for fertilization, just like amphibians need water to breed. Animal kingdom, day 4. Let's do the coelom classification in 60 seconds. Acoelomate, no body cavity at all, platyhelminthes, tapeworm, liver fluke. Pseudocoelomate, false body cavity, not lined by mesoderm, nematoda, ascaris. Coelomate, true body cavity, fully lined by mesoderm, annelida, mollusca, arthropoda, echinodermata, and all chordates including us. Now, the frog. This is critical. The frog is officially back in the NEET 2026 rationalized syllabus. Class Amphibia. 3-chambered heart, 2 atria, 1 ventricle. Cold-blooded, body temperature changes with environment. External fertilization. Breathes through skin, lungs, and buccal cavity. If you have been skipping frog anatomy because you thought it was deleted, please go back tonight. Morphology of Flowering Plants, day 5. Let's do modifications first because NEET always pulls one. Root modifications for food storage: carrot is conical, turnip is napiform, swollen in the middle, tapers at both ends. Radish is fusiform, tapers at both ends but more elongated. Sweet potato is a modified adventitious root, not taproot. Stem modifications: ginger is a rhizome, underground stem with nodes. Potato is a stem tuber, the eyes are nodes. Citrus thorn is a modified stem. Leaf modifications: pea tendrils are modified leaflets. Cactus spines are modified leaves. Nepenthes pitcher, modified leaf for trapping insects. Germination: epigeel, cotyledons come above the soil. Bean, castor. Hypogeel, cotyledons stay underground. Gram, maize, pea. And inflorescence: capitilium in sunflower looks like one flower, but is actually a cluster of florets. NEET loves asking this. Rapid fire round, 10 questions. I'll give you 2 seconds per question, then I'll give the answer. Try to say the answer out loud before I do. Ready? 1. Who gave binomial nomenclature? 3, 2, 1. Linnaeus. 2. Who proposed 5 kingdoms and in what year? 3, 2, 1. Whitaker, 1969. 3. Dominant phase in bryophytes. 3, 2, 1. Gametophyte. 4. First vascular plants. 3, 2, 1. Pteridophytes. 5. Mycoplasma belongs to which kingdom? 3, 2, 1. Monera. 6. Which phylum has the water vascular system? 3, 2, 1. Echinodermata. 7. How many chambers in a frog's heart? 3, 2, 1. 3. 8. What type of taproot is carrot? 3, 2, 1. Conical. 9. What type of germination occurs in gram? 3, 2, 1. Hypogeal. 10. What type of venation is seen in monocots? 3, 2, 1. Parallel. Score yourself. 8 to 10, you are NEET ready for this unit. Below 6, go back tonight. Not to the whole chapter, just to the questions you got wrong.
That is your Day 6 revision podcast complete. 5 chapters, real trap questions, and a rapid fire that told you exactly where your gaps are. Revision isn't the weak part of preparation. It's the part that actually builds your score. Whatever you struggled with today, one section, one concept, revise just that tonight. Not everything, just the gap. Today we begin week 2 with Day 7, Anatomy of Flowering Plants, Tissues, Meristems, Secondary Growth. Be ready. Subscribe to this podcast so you never miss an episode. Share it with your NEET study group. If they haven't heard this, they might be walking into the same traps. Download free notes from the link in the description and drop your rapid-fire score in the YouTube comments. See you tomorrow. Keep dominating.